Welcome to Vertex Solution. Let's see format a date the way you want. When you enter some text into a cell such as 10/4, Excel assumes that is a date format is according to default date setting in control panel. Excel might format it as for October. If you change your date setting in control panel, the default date format in Excel will change accordingly. If you don't like the default date format, you can choose another date format in Excel, such as 2024 10/4 or 10/4 2024. You can also create your own custom format in Excel desktop. Let's see. Select your cells you want to format. Press Ctrl 1 or in Home tab number format, select more number format. In the format cell box, click the number tab. In the category list, click date. Under type, pick a date format. Your format will preview in the sample box with the first date in your data. Date format that begin with an asterisk will change if you change the regional date and time setting in control panel. Format without an asterisk won't change. If you want to use a date format according to how other language display dates, choose the language in location. Do you have numbers showing up in your cells such as hash hash hash? It is likely that your cells is not wide enough to show the whole number. Try double-clicking the right border of the column that contains the cells with hash hash hash. This will resize the column to fit the number. You can also drag the right border of the column to make it any size you want. To quickly enter the current date in your worksheet, select any empty cell, press Ctrl semicolon, and then press Enter if necessary. Or type equal to today open and close bracket if an empty cell, and then press Enter. Thank you. Please subscribe for more videos.